Good morning everybody, class 5. How are you? I hope you are well. Now we are going our revision class, and in the previous day I have completed, I have revised chapter 2A, exercise A, B, C. Today I start exercise 2D, chapter 2, exercise D. Okay, and you have to do all your maths in your copy, rough copy, and after that when you you will get back your copy, then you will write it in your fair copy. Okay, now I revised your math chapter 2, exercise D. Exercise 2D. Simplify the following. 75 plus 16 divided by 2 into 4. 75 first division, that is rules of simplify Badmas. B brackets, O of, D division, A multiplication, A addition, A subtraction. That is, in this math, first of all we do the division. 75 plus 8 to the 16 into 4. 75 plus 32. 5 to 7, 7 3 10. 107 answer. 6630 divided by 6 into 5 minus 140. 6630 divided by C, I have done here. 1105 into 5 minus 140. So 1105 into 5, 5525 minus 140, 5385. That is 3. 170 into 0 plus 72 divided by 4. 170 into 0 equal to 0 plus 4, 8, 18, 4 just 72, 80. That is 0 plus 18, 18 answer. 1125 into 5 divided by 5 minus 540 plus 10. 1125 into 5, 1 is 5, 1 minus 540 plus 10. That is 1125 minus 540 plus 10. That is plus this and this plus. So 1225 plus 10. 1235 minus 440 equal to 695. Answer 5. 2025 plus 70 plus divided by 10 minus 5 into 7. 2025 plus 17 just 70 minus 5 into 7. 2025 plus 7 minus 5 7 is 35. So this and this plus 2025 plus 7 2032 minus 35 197 answer. 6. 25 into 6 plus 8 minus 16 divided by 2. 25 into 6 plus 8 minus 8 to the 16, 8. 25 into 6 equal to 150 plus 8 minus 8. It is 150 plus 8, 158 minus 8, 150 answer. Okay, now I start exercise 2E. Solve the following. 114 minus second bracket, first bracket 42 plus 6, bracket close into 7, second bracket close. First of all we have to do first bracket. We solve first bracket, that is 114 minus 6 7 is 42 into 7. 114 minus 4 7 7 is 49, that is minus 65 answer. 2. 140 divided by second bracket 6 plus first bracket 64 divided by 8, second bracket, first bracket close, second bracket close. 140 divided by 6 plus 8 8 is 64. 140 divided by 8 6 14. 140 divided by 14 equal to 10 answer. 3. Second bracket, first bracket 99 divided by 9 into 5, second bracket close, divided by first bracket 54 minus 49. So 9 11 is 99 into 5, second bracket, divided by 5. So 55 divided by 5, 11 answer. 4. 9 plus 1 divided by 2 into 4 plus 7. 9 plus 1 first bracket, so 10 divided by 2 into 4 plus 7. 10 divided by 2 into 5 into 4 plus 7. 5 4 is 20 plus 7, 27. Then 3. Second bracket, 3 plus 4 into 5 divided by 2 minus 6 divided by second bracket close divided by 7. So 3 plus 4 5 is 20, first bracket, divided by 2 minus 6, second bracket close, divided by 7. 3 plus पहले division 20 divided by 2 10 10 minus 6, second bracket close, divided by 7. 10 plus 3, 13 minus 6 divided by 7. 7 divided by 7, 1. Answer. 6, 720 divided by 18 into 5 first bracket minus 10 divided by 2. 720 divided by 18, 5 ja 90 minus 5, 10 2 ja 5 2 ja 10. So 720 divided by 90, 98 minus 5, 3. Answer. Okay, now I start chapter 3. Chapter 2 I complete, now I start chapter 3. What is the subject matter of chapter 3? Fractions. So first of all, what do we mean fractions? Fractions means parts of a whole. That is, we can get equivalent fractions by multiplying the numerator as well as the denominator by the same number. Fraction, what is called numerator and what is called denominator? Numerator is upper portion is numerator and lower portion is denominator. A fraction is said to be in its lowest form if the numerator and the denominator have no common factors other than 1. For example, 1 by 9, 5 by 7, 7 by 22 are in simplest form or lowest form. There are defined, these are the interaction of fraction. There are, how many kinds of fractions are there? There are different kinds of fractions such as like fraction, unlike fraction, improper fraction, proper fraction, unit fraction, mixed fraction. What is called like fraction? Like fraction, they have same denominator. The fraction which have same denominator are called like fraction. That is 3 by 5, 2 by 5, 6 by 5. That is equal same denominator. Number 2, unlike fractions. They have different denominator. That is 2 by 5, 6 by 10, 9 by 16, etc. Unlike. Then proper fraction. Improper fraction. The numerator greater than or equal to the denominator. If the numerator is greater than denominator or equal denominator is called improper fraction. 12 by 10, 6 by 5, 9 by 9, etc. Proper fraction. The numerator less than the denominator is called proper fraction. That is 5 by 6, 5 by 9, 4 by 6, etc. Unit fraction. A proper fraction with numerator 1 is called. The fraction which contains the numerator 1 is called unit fraction. 1 by 5, 1 by 8, 1 by 9, etc. Mixed fraction. A mixed fraction consists of a whole number and a fraction together. That is 5, 3 by 2. 5 whole number, 3 by 2 fractional number. 2, 4 by 5. 2 whole number and 4 by 5 fractional number. 6, 3 by 2. 6 whole number, 3 by 2 fractional number. Okay, now Now I start exercise 3A. 4A, 1 by 2 of a score. 1 score equal to 20. 1 by 2 into 20, that is 10. Answer. B. 4 by 5 of an hour. An hour equal to 60 minutes. That is 4 by 5 into 60. 5 12 by 60. 4 12 are 48 minutes. C. 1 by 6 of a day. 1 day equal to 24 hours. 1 by 6 into 24. 6 4 are 24. 4 hours. D. 1 by 2 of a year. A year equal to 12 months. That is 1 by 12 into 12. 12 12. So that is 1 month. E. 3 by 4 of a dozen. That is 1 dozen equal to 12. 3 by 4 into 12 equal to 3 4 ja 12. 3 3 ja 9. Okay. F. 2 by 7 of a week. 1 equal to 7 days. It is 2 by 7 into 7. 7 7 cut here 2 days. Then 5. Write 5 equivalent fractions of the following fraction. The equivalent fraction. Denominator and numerator multiplying by the same number. 3 by 7. 3 2 ja 6. 3 7 ja 3 2 ja 6. 7 2 ja 14. Then 3 3 ja 9. 7 3 ja 21. 3 4 ja 12. 4 7 ja 28. 15. 3 5 ja 15. 7 5 ja 35. 3 6 ja 18. 4 6 ja 42. Okay, that is 3 by 7 equivalent fraction. 6 by 2 14. 9 by 21. 12 by 28. 15 by 35. 18 by 42. B. 5 by 9. 5 2 ja 10. 9 2 ja 18. 3 5 ja 15. 3 9 ja 27. 5 4 ja 20. 4 9 ja 36. 5 5 ja 25. 9 5 ja 45. 5 6 ja 30. 9 6 ja 54. So equivalent fraction 5 by 9 equal to 10 by 18, 15 by 27, 20 by 36, 25 by 45, 30 by 54. Okay. 6. Write the following fraction in the simplest form. That is 27 by 48. 3 9 ja 27, 3 6 ja 48. So 9 by 16. Simplest form. 75 by 140. 5 15 3 15 ja 5 15 ja 75. 5 into 28 equal to 140. That is 15 by 28. Simply strong. 49 by 140. 7 7 ja 49. 7 20 ja 140. So 7 by 20. 110 by 240. 0 0. So 11 by 24. 81 by 170. E. 81 by 170. 9 9 ja 81. 9 into 13. 13 9 ja 170. So 9 by 13 answer. 7. Arrange the following fraction in ascending order. Ascending means smallest to greatest. 5 by 10, 7 by 10, 1 by 10, 9 by 10. So 1 by 10 less than, 5 by 10 less than, 7 by 10 less than, 9 by 10. So denominator is equal, so it is no problem. But if the denominator is equal, first of all we have to equal the denominator. 1 by 9, 1 by 8, 1 by 4, 1 by 11. That is LCM of 9, 8, 4, 11. LCM 4, 11. That is 88. 9 into 8, 792. That is 1 into 7 equal, LCM equal to 792. So 1 by 9 equal to 1 into 88, 9 into 792. 1 by 8 equal to 99 by 792. I have done here. 1 by 4 equal to 198 by 792. 1 by 11 equal to 72 by 792. That is 72 by 792 less than 88 by 792 less than 99 by 792 less than 198 by 792. That is 1 by 11 less than 1 by 9 less than 1 by 8 less than 1 by 4. Okay, first of all you have to do LCM of the denominator. C. 1 by 12, 1 by 9, 1 by 2, 1 by 18. LCM of 12, 9, 12, 18, 36. That is 1. Sorry. Then C. 1 by 12, 1 by 9, 1 by 2, 1 by 18. LCM of 12, 9, 2, 18, 36. First of all you have to equal the denominator. 1 by 12 equal to 3 by 36. 1 by 9 equal to 4 by 36. 1 by 12 equal to 18 by 36. 1 by 18 equal to 2 by 36. That is 2 by 36 less than 18. 3 by 36 less than 4 by 36 less than 18 by 36. That is 1 by 18 less than 1 by 2 less than 1 by 9. 1 by 12 less than 1 by 9 less than 1 by 2. D. 3 by 7, 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 4 by 7 equal denominator. That is 1 by 7 less than 2 by 7 less than 3 by 7 less than 4 by 7. Okay. 8. Arrange the following fraction in descending order. Descending order means greatest to smallest. 1 by 17, 2 by 17, 3 by 17, 6 by 17. That is 6 by 17 greater than 3 by 17 greater than 2 by 17 greater than 1 by 17. Answer. D. 1 by 3, 7 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4. First of all, we have to do the LCM of 3, 4, 5, 60. That is denominator 60. 1 by 3 equal to 1 into 20, 3 into 20, 20 by 60. 7 by 4 equal to 60, 105. 105 by 60. 2 by 4 equal to 30 by 60. 3 by 5 equal to 36 by 60. That is 105 by 60 greater than 36 by 60 greater than 30 by 60 greater than 20 by 60. That is 7 by 4 greater than 3 by 5 greater than 2 by 4 greater than 1 by 3. So today I revised your chapter 3, chapter 2, D and E, and chapter 3 introduction I revised again about fraction and exercise A. So next day I start another exercise A. Okay, thank you.